पिलाମାନେ ଦେଖ ए भिडियो आम आलोचना करवा +2 सेकेंड ईयर आर्ट्स लॉजिक रे कौन करवा ना 100 एमसीक्यू 100 एमसीक्यू आम डिस्कशन करवा बोर्ड परीक्षा पे ओके सेट 9 एवं सेट 10 ओके सेट 9 रे 50 प्रश्न अच्छी एवं सेट 10 रे मध्य 50 प्रश्न अच्छी ओके देख पिला माने जो माने इंग्लिश रे हमर इंग्लिश मीडियम रे परीक्षा देबे बोर्ड परीक्षा लॉजिक से मान पई ए सेट टी आलोचना होची ओके देख पिला माने वीडियो को गोटे लाइक करिया सहित चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिया पे भूलिबेनी ओके आरंभ करिया सेट 9 रो प्रथम प्रश्न टू व्हिच मोड फेलाप्टोन कैन बी रिड्यूस्ड डायरेक्टली ओके राइट आंसर ऑप्शन सी फेरियो ओके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन in which figure of syllogism the conclusion is negative okay right answer option B second figure how many general syllogistic rules are there right answer option D 10 how many immediate inferences are there in deductive logic okay right answer option D 4 state the obverse of no students are coward state the obverse right answer is option A okay all students are brave okay परवर्ती प्रश्न how is it in simple conversion how is it in simple conversion right answer option B okay quality and quantity are same state the obverse of some roses are beautiful state the obverse right answer is option C some roses are not ugly परवर्ती प्रश्न what is the position of the middle term in the fourth figure right answer option C major premise and subject in the minor premise okay next question what is the position of minor term in second figure right answer option B subject of the minor premise what is the position of middle term in the second figure right answer option C predicate of both the premises option C is the right answer परवर्ती प्रश्न देखो पिला माने what is the position of major term in the third figure right answer A okay predicate of the major premise परवर्ती प्रश्न Disamiss is directly reduced to which mode right answer option B Dari E okay Felaptone is directly reduced to which mode Felaptone right answer is option A Ferio Ferrison is directly reduced to which mode right answer is option A Ferio destructive forms of mixed hypothetical syllogism are based on which rule okay right answer is option B second rule okay परवर्ती प्रश्न देखो पिला माने how many types of fallacies that takes place in mixed hypothetical syllogism okay right answer is option C 2 okay परवर्ती प्रश्न name the fallacy in the following argument animal sacrifice is justified because it is there in the scripture name the fallacy right answer is option C okay option C is the right answer argumentum ad varcundium okay परवर्ती प्रश्न देखो पिला माने when we argue from a general rule to a special rule which fallacy shall we commit okay right answer is option A fallacy of accident which of the following is not a fallacy of presumption that arises due to overlooking of facts okay right answer is option A okay petitio principi okay परवर्ती प्रश्न what is the fallacy involved in the following argument 2 and 3 are even and odd, 5 is 2 and 3, hence 5 is even and odd. What is the fallacy involved in this argument? Right answer is option B. Okay, fallacy of composition. Which of the following method requires two sets of instances? Okay, right answer is option B. Method of difference. Which experimental method is essentially a method of deduction? Right answer is option B. Method of residues. Symbolic logic is the development of which logic? Right answer is option C. Traditional logic. Which of the following is the feature of symbolic logic? Right answer is option D. Okay, all of these. Use of ideograms, use of variables, application of the rules of deduction. Okay, these features are symbolic logic. Okay, परवर्ती प्रश्न देख पिला माने symbolic logic builds which of the following? Right answer is option A. A deductive system. Okay, देख पिला माने 2 नंबर प्रथम प्रश्न देख पिला माने if a syllogism is consisted of more than 3 terms at that time, which fallacy arises? Okay, right answer is option A. 4 terms. Is it true to say that if both the premises are negative, the conclusion is negative? Right answer is option B. Okay, no. Okay, परवर्ती प्रश्न is it true to say that if both of the premises are particular, the conclusion is particular? Right answer is option C. No. Okay. In a syllogism, if one premise is negative, the conclusion will be what? Right answer is option B. Negative. Barbara is the valid mode of which figure? Right answer is option A. First figure. Celarent is the valid mode of which figure? Right answer is option A. First figure. Brahmantip is a valid mode of which figure? Right answer is option D. Fourth figure. Okay. Camestress is the valid mode of which figure? Right answer is option B. Second. Inference is mainly classified into how many kinds? Okay, right answer is option A. 2 kinds. Okay. The conclusion of immediate inference is drawn from how many premises? Okay, right answer is option A. 1. The conclusion of immediate inference is drawn from how many premises? Right answer is B. Okay, option B. 2. Okay. Direct is directly reduced to which mode? Right answer is option B. Okay, Dari. Datisi is directly reduced to which mode? Right answer is option B. Dari. Okay. By denying one or more alternates of the major premise in the minor premise, what do you affirm in the conclusion? Okay, right answer is option A. Okay, we affirm remaining consequence. What is the conclusion in a complex dilemma? Right answer is option C. Okay, option C. Alternative proposition. देखो पिला माने what is the fallacy involved in the following argument? 2 and 3 are even and odd. 5 is 2 and 3. Hence 5 is even and odd. पूर्वरु आलोचना होइछ एटा. राइट आंसर कोन हबो पिला माने? राइट आंसर हबो ऑप्शन बी. ओके, fallacy of composition. परवर्ती प्रश्न देखो पिला माने Literally, ignoratio elenchi means what? Right answer option A. Okay, ignoring the point of issue. The paralysis of presumption takes place due to what? Right answer option D. All of these. Okay, overlooking the facts, evasion of facts, distortion of facts. Okay, ये सब गुड़ाक हम overlooking the facts, evasion of facts, distortion of facts. Okay, next question देखो पिला माने 2 and 5 are two numbers, 7 is the 2 and 5, hence 7 is two numbers. The above example is coming under which fallacy? Okay, right answer is option A, fallacy of composition. Which experimental method is known as a statistical method? Okay, right answer option D, method of concomitant variation. In which experimental method we need two sets of instances, positive and negative set? Okay, right answer is option C, joint method of agreement and difference. देखो पिला माने what is the symbol of conjunction? What is the symbol of conjunction? Right answer is option A, this is the symbol of conjunction. Option A is the right answer. Next question देखो पिला माने what is the symbol of alternation? Right answer is option A. Okay, alternation, symbol of alternation. Okay, परवर्ती प्रश्न देखो पिला माने what is the symbol of implication? Right answer is option C, implication. Okay, this is the symbol of implication. Okay, पिला माने set 10 रा प्रथम प्रश्न how many valid modes are there in a syllogism? Right answer option D, 19. How many propositions are there in a syllogism? Right answer option C, 3. What is the converse of an A proposition? Right answer option C, I proposition. In overson, from what standpoint both overtend and obverse are different? Right answer is option C, quality. The converse of which proposition is different from the convertent from the standpoint of quantity? Right answer is option A. A is the right answer. Minor premise is consisted of two terms. One is a minor term and other is what? Right answer is option C, middle term. Okay. Which of the following is the first figure? Right answer is option D. Okay, option D is the first figure. Okay, परवर्ती प्रश्न what is the position of the middle term in the third figure? Right answer is option B. Okay, subject of both the premises. What is the position of the middle term in the third figure? Right answer is option B, subject of both the premises. In which figure derivative is a valid mode? Right answer is option C, third figure. How many valid modes are there in a second figure? Right answer is option A, 4. Baroko is directly reduced to which mode? Right answer is option B. Okay, option B, Ferio. Okay, next question. Cesare is directly reduced to which mode? Right answer is option A, Celarent. Festino is directly reduced to which mode? Right answer is option B, Ferio. Which form of a dilemma can be rebutted? Right answer option C, complex constructive. Okay. In what way a dilemma is refuted? Right answer is option D, all of the above. Violation of rule if one premise or both the premise are materially false. Rebuttal. Okay, all of the above is the right answer. Which of the following is not an astrological fallacy? Right answer is option B. Okay, fallacy of false analogy. When we appeal to the passion and prejudice of the audience and not to their reason, then we commit which fallacy? Right answer is option A. Okay, argumentum ad populum. Okay, परवर्ती प्रश्न देख पिला माने the various fallacies of causation are one of the form of what type? Right answer option B, non causa pro causa. Okay, परवर्ती प्रश्न how many kinds of experimental methods are there? Right answer option D, 5. In what way cause and event are ordered in science? Right answer option C, the cause and event are simultaneous. Okay. Which experimental method is founded on quantitative aspect of causation? Right answer option C, method of concomitant. If a function is always false, that is called what? Right answer is option B. Okay, contradiction. If a function is sometimes true and sometimes false, that is called what? Right answer is option C. Okay, contingent. Okay. माने सेट 10 रो 2 नंबर प्रश्न 2 नंबर प्रथम प्रश्न in a syllogism if both the premises are affirmative the conclusion is what? Right answer option A, affirmative. Okay, परवर्ती प्रश्न if one of the premises is particular what will be the conclusion? Right answer option B, particular. If both the premises are particular, what will be the conclusion? Right answer option B, no conclusion. If the major premise is particular and minor premise is negative, then what will be the conclusion? Right answer option A, no conclusion. That is the valid mode of which figure? Right answer option C, third. Doxka-Musk is the valid mode of which figure? Right answer option C, third figure. Okay. If the conclusion is A, the argument must be in which figure? Right answer option A, first figure. O proposition cannot be a premise in which figure? Right answer is option C, figure I and figure IV. Okay, first figure and fourth figure. Okay. Immediate inference is divided into how many times? Immediate inference is divided into how many types? Right answer option C, 3. Okay. From how many premises does mediate inference derive its conclusion? Right answer option A, 2. Okay. Mediate inference is known as, right answer option A, syllogism. Minor premise must be what in the first figure? Right answer is option A, affirmative. Major premise must be what in the second figure? Right answer is option C, universal. The doctrine of de omni et nullo is presented by whom? Right answer is option B. Okay, option B, Aristotle. परवर्ती प्रश्न, dilemma whose conclusion is alternative must be what? Right answer is option B. Okay, complex dilemma. What is the nature of the conclusion in a hypothetical categorical syllogism? Right answer is option A, categorical proposition. Which of the following is not a fallacy of ambiguity? Right answer is option D. Okay, fallacy of accident. When we defeat the opponent by means of physical force, then we commit which fallacy? Right answer is option C. Okay, argumentum ad baculum. Extra logical fallacies are also called as what? Right answer is option B, non-logical fallacies. Soul is immortal because the Gita says so. Okay, name the fallacy involved in this argument. Okay, name the fallacy. Right answer is option D. Okay, fallacy of argumentum ad baculum. Okay. Which method is mainly called a method of observation? Right answer is option A, the method of agreement. In which of the following methods the antecedent and consequent circumstances undergo quantitative changes? Okay, right answer option C, the method of concomitant of variation. Who among the following put forth three main features of symbolic logic? Right answer option C. Okay, C.L. Leys. Okay, परवर्ती प्रश्न देखा पिलाने. The concept of function originally belongs to what? Right answer is option A, mathematics. शेष प्रश्न, लास्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ वेरिएबल्स आर देयर इन सिंबॉलिक लॉजिक? राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, 3. ओके पिलाने आज ये परवर्ती भिडियो आलोचना करें पुणी नेक्स्ट प्रैक्टिस वीडियो. प्रथम वीडियो गोटे लाइक करने सहित चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने भूल रोचे. थैंक यू.